Introducing the 2024 Seat Ateca PA2, SO TDI 115 PSE, in stunning white. With a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, this estate model is the perfect blend of style and practicality. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and parking assistance, this vehicle ensures a comfortable and safe drive every time. The security and safety features such as anti-collision system, ABS, and traction control provide peace of mind on the road. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust in this vehicle's reliability. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this incredible car.